gonna say go.
Okay.
I'm gonna say
Ready?
Wait, I need a good grip on it.
That's not fair. B's left-handed.
No? Well, I'm starting with my right.
Well, switch hands next time.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. No, 2 out of 3. Best 2 out of 3.
Ready?
Set.
Oh, ease up. Ease up.
Wait.
Ready, set, go.
Wait, again. No, 5 times.
5.
Left hand. Wait, I'll say go. I'll say go.
Put your elbow on the table.
I'll say go. Okay? I'll say go.
Okay.
Go!
You feel better about yourself now, Sissy?
Yeah.
1 more time. No, 3 more times. So I make it go.
3 more times.
Oh.
1,
2. No,
2.
no, that didn't count.
Alright, a real one right here. Stop, stop. Real one.
Go.
Alright, B, videotape me and Sissy.
Go, Johnny. Wait, is it recording right now?
Yeah. Can you see us?
Yeah. I can see Johnny and Kristen.
Who's gonna say go? Maybe your room just matches.
Ready, set, go!
Can't go anywhere.
Fake it, John, go! Go!
Oh, you're freakishly strong.
Tell me.
Hold on.
Stupid.
Johnny's the winner!
Barely.
Left hand. Left hand.
I'm weak on my left hand. I scoop ice cream with this one.
Come on.
You can't hold on to the table like that. You get
Ready,
nervous.
set, go!
Why are you so strong?
I need to drink milk.
Doesn't make sense.
I'm lactose intolerant too.
You're not going anywhere. We're just...
Ah, don't squeeze my hand. You don't
Who
squeeze
won?
my fingers.
I did, of course.
Cheater.